Okay guys, so I switched the tire, the one that was in the back, to the front, and I got the spare tire that I had in the back of the car and placed it on the back side and test drove it, and no more scraping. The sound that was making, it was this spare wheel that isn't from the car. It was from a totally different car, and I guess they just put it on this car, and you can see right here. So that was that grinding noise that was making. I drove the car already for like 30 miles, and not a single noise. So that took care of that grinding noise. I'm still looking for some rims. So yeah guys, that took care of the problem. The wrong rim, the wrong spare tire was installed to the car, so that's why it was making that noise. Still waiting on the paint on the Kia. Okay guys, so we're here with the A320. Do the change oil. I got the oil already dripping down here. So I'm going to change the filter. And I'm using this one, Mobile One, full synthetic motor oil for European cars. So I got this loose, the filter. There it is. And I'm gonna use this new STP filter. It's got little rubbers. Okay guys, so I removed those seals. Or those, I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, those. And they're just replaced them. The new one's got the new filter. So now I put everything back. That's much better with light. So this is all the oil came out. Sorry about that earlier guys. I didn't have my phone light on to record. So we got one going and 7 more to go. One more. We're at 7 right now. Last one. Okay guys, so today we're gonna plasti dip the rims on the 2010 Audi. We're gonna start that one. Here we got the first coat. Have the bag, use the garbage bag behind it. I'm doing another garbage bag down here on this side. So this is how the wheels on the Audi turn out. The plasti dip. Tires are dirty, car's all dirty, the wheels, the rims are dirty too. It's been already a couple of days since I plasti dipped them. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna today the paint was supposed to arrive today for the Kia. So waiting on the paint. Maybe on this Saturday I'll continue working on the Kia. This Saturday. Today is Wednesday. So the paint was supposed to arrive today. Okay guys, so I removed also the marks that it used to have, remember? It was all marked up right here. There was a dent. One of the marks was that dent. And then there was a lot of other little marks that they're also small little dents. I don't know if you can see them. Let me see if I can point them out. One is right there. The other one's right here. There's another one right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there. I can't find the other one, but okay, yeah, you can see them right here in the door too. One right there. So you can see it. And well, these ones actually do have some little dings, not like the Kia. The Kia, there was some marks, but there was no dings or scratches. So just wanted to point that out too. Okay guys, so the paint just arrived like 5 minutes ago. Do the same thing again. Automotive touch-up paint. So again, this is the total price of the paint. And the card again. This stuff that we saw last time. Another quart. Hopefully this gets it, guys. I'm gonna finish up this video and I'm gonna continue recording on Saturday, I believe. So we're gonna be painting the Kia on Saturday. Okay guys, see you in the next video.